What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the OnePlus 6. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the camera timer on and off. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody who's looking for this information, please do pass it on with them. So the first thing we're going to want to do is start off by going into our camera app. Once you are in the camera app, right up here in the top left-hand corner, there's like a stopwatch looking thing with a line through it. Go ahead, select that. From here, we could see that the line with it is off. The timer can be set to 3, 5, or 10 seconds. And what the timer does is, let's say you're out somewhere and you have nobody take a picture for you and you have a tripod, you could set it up. You can hit the 10 second, 3 second, 5 second. Let's switch it over to the 5 second. So now the 5 second one is on. And you set up your tripod, you set the camera up, you hit go, and you run into your position, and just like that, it'll take a picture for you. So there's the picture that we took. Once again, going back into your camera, it's right up here in the top left-hand corner. You could set it to 3 seconds, to 10 seconds, and to turn it off is just the one with the line through it. So that is a quick demonstration how to turn the timer on and off for the camera on the OnePlus 6. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody looking for this information. If you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the OnePlus 6, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.